Oh guys, I'm just needing this. Welcome back to another Let's Grub with Grub video. This video we're gonna make ketchup pizza. The best pizza in the world. I made it with Mr. Mike in Atlanta, Georgia, and oh my gosh, I tried it. Oh, it was amazing. We made ketchup pizza because we didn't have any tomato sauce. So Mr. Mike I just said, can we put ketchup on the pizza? And we did. I think we invented it. She probably did, but I don't know. Just gonna keep kneading this dough. Guys, we're back. I'm putting this dough in the bowl, yo. Yeah. Plop, see it for 3 hours and grow in size, and then turn it into the real dough. Okay, putting this over. Done. 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 The dough has risen. Now I'm gonna punch this thing. Wow! We punched it, and there's a giant hole in it. We're gonna cut this dough up into 3 balls and put it in these bowls. Okay.
That's a great ball.
Hallelujah, 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 hallelujah. Yay! I'm dumping the dough in the flour. Subscribe and leave a like. This video is sponsored by Ketchup. Oh yeah. It's sponsored by Ketchup Pizza by Mr. Mike. Plop, 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 plop. So next we're gonna cook it on the grill. Yes, okay. Yay! On to the grill we go. Guys, we just did it, yo. Guys, we just did it, y'all. Oh, sorry.
All right. Now we bake.
Bye. Bye. Yeah, now it's time to take it off.
Here.
Yeah, it's fine. I can have those. Pedro can have those.
Yes, look at little scraps.
No, it's amazing. Remember, kids, always have the grown-up cut the pizza into slices.
Peter, this is for you.
Wow, she's spoiled. Okay, now we're going. Guys, please subscribe and leave a like. We need it. We just started. And subscribe to Pedro and leave a like to Pedro. Pedro's us, basically. He's part of us. He's part of us, basically. Now. So good. It's the best pizza I've ever had. Yeah. Well, see you next time on Let's Go and See Them. See ya. Dough in the bowl, and then we're letting it sit for 3 hours. But that's not happening. After I put this over, it's gonna come like that. They actually kind of hurt. I like hit the bottom. Okay, now let me do this.
Now give it a good push.
Yeah.
Yeah, now we're talking.
Are we gonna fast forward through this part when
Yeah.
I'm explaining? Don't you think we should fast forward through this part?
Yes, we will.
Yeah. Are we gonna fast forward through all this?
Yep.
Okay. Are we gonna fast forward through all this?
Yep.
Okay. Are you gonna cut this out of the video?
Yeah, don't worry.
Good. Are you still filming? Guys, please subscribe. Wait, I just, okay, cut.